So, a lot of you have been asking me for an everyday riding shoes. And guess what? In this video, I will answer that question for you. So, even though I use riding shoes for my daily commutes for the past 2 years, and I love those shoes, I have no complaints about them at all, except for one thing I cannot use them for trekking as such. Whenever I go for these off road trails, or say, suppose I go for to see a hidden location, a waterfall, or something like that, I cannot track in those. It is very uncomfortable. But today, this right here will solve that problem. Now, these are the clan shoes. Three, two, one. Oh, yeah, these guys. Let's talk more about them in this video. Let me start off by saying this is not a collaboration video or a sponsored video. This, my friend has purchased these shoes, and many of my friends are using Clan shoes for more than 2 years now, and they have been loving it for everyday use. That is the reason why I'm making this video, because I want you to have a good option to wear a proper designed riding shoes rather than wearing sneakers. So let's talk about Clan shoes now. These one here are waterproof, and there is a non-waterproof option available as well. The shoes, as you can see, are very good looking in a way where you can use these shoes for your daily purpose, and they don't look bulky, they don't look huge as a normal riding shoes would. And what they've used for making the shoes waterproof or rainproof is rather the dry tech technology. Now, coming to the point of protection that these shoes offers, it comes with this thermoformed heel cap, as you can see on both the sides, and a rigid TPU ankle guard. On the front, it has a thermoform toe cap as well. At the back, we have a reflector here as well, which helps in visibility in the night. The inner linings of the shoes are very soft and comfortable, as you can see here. And this experience has been shared to me by my friends who have been using this even for a full day shoot. Yes, the sole also comes with comfort inserts for that more comfortable feel. And it comes with a C certificate as well, with some serious protection with abrasion resistance, impact safety, and slip resistance as well. And this is what they have claimed on their website. And that's the reason, my friends, that this is probably the best riding shoes right now in the market, which you can buy for daily commute. And yeah, if you want the purchase link, it is there in the description below and in the comment section as well. And this is not at all a sponsored video. I just love the brand and what they have done with the product. And my friends have personally been using this same shoes for a very long time. This is another friend of mine who has purchased it, and I'm sure he's gonna love it. So yeah, it's better to ride in a proper motorcycle riding shoes than in chappals or trekking or running shoes. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and peace out.